So this is a how-to project, how to take your medicine, because not hardly any kids take medicine. So
They're
we
not good at it.
said cleaning. So you're gonna want to get out all your medicine.
This is the stuff Melody takes on a daily basis.
Yep. Like I'm an animal eating my daily grass.
Only it's medicine.
So,
And she's a little girl.
I have to pour my drink up to here. Oops. That's way too much.
She's calculating it on her own. She can eye it because she's got that much skill.
Yep, I have good eyeballs. And then you're going to want to close if you have one of these. And then, since I have pills, I have to take 2 each day. Just take one. How easy?
Yep, they're the legs.
Okay, so I'm going to put the rest back whenever I have to.
Tell me when you had them all. Do the thumbs up.
And then, so 3, 2, 1.
She just took her medicine with her medicine.
I
Ow!
have to do my nose spray.
Yep. Which is very awful and nasty, by the way. One of 2.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Oh. Poor baby. Nice.
Now put this right here.
Just save it there.
This one I love. And then this one's okay.
3. She has 3 nose sprays. Oh, baby.
And then another one. I don't really have to take this one, I still will, just in case.
Yeah, make sure it's nice and flowing clean.